So, what's wrong with your leg?
That's a pretty personal question.
Oh, soft spot, huh? Oh, I bet the Pride Lions gave you a really hilarious name about it. Hold on, let me guess. Broken leg. Bad hunter? Ooh, can't fight.
It's nothing, actually.
What's nothing?
My name. They named me nothing.
Oh, that is so mean! Amazing!
Stop laughing. It's not funny.
Sure, it's funny. Prides are funny. With all your laws and rules and stupid names.
You're prideless, I take it?
Born and raised.
My mother says,
Prideless lions are unkempt, undisciplined, and lacking in the skills to join a proper pride.
Your mother sounds like she has an entire tree stuck up her butt.
don't say that.
Oh, yeah. I can see it on your face. She definitely does. I'm Hover, by the way. Self-named, self-satisfied, proudly unkept, undisciplined, and unskilled. Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Charmed, I'm sure.